everybody top. Goddamn right, I'm so nice. Jesus Christ, I'm better than the hype. I give you life.
Hey guys, it's your girl Tanika Amar and I'm back with another video. So this video is a makeup look. I'm mostly looking at my eyeshadow. I'm still looking at the camera, it's a bit scary, but I came out of my comfort zone, so I hope you enjoy it. Now before you watch the rest of the video, make sure you're subscribed gang, okay? And comment, like if you want, also like, thanks for the ones that give it a thumbs up already. And I'm going to stop rambling on now and watch the video. So my face is already primed. Yes, I have an uninvited guest. His name's Barry. He decided to say hello. But yeah, let's ignore Barry and let's get on. So I'm going to start with my Urban Decay Naked palette. Ultimate Basics. And for my transition colour, I think I'm going to go with Faith. So this one here. Any mistakes with eyeshadow, you can just use your finger and just to blur it and blend it in. And then I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics, the 28 colour eyeshadow palette, the Smoky Eyes. So it looks like that. I'm actually going to go for this colour right here, this red. I don't think they have a name, I don't know what the name is, but this red. I saw it and I was like, yeah, I need to try that. Out of my comfort zone. So we're just going to go lightly because it's quite pigmented. And we're just going to put that on our lid. So I'm just lightly dabbing it on so I can build it up if need be. Very pigmented. And then I'm just going to soften it out around the edges. Just to blend it out a bit. Then I'm going to use an angled brush and go in with Lethal, this purple one here. Just in my crease, just to blend it and give it that smoky eye effect. Let's get another brush just to fluff it all together, just to blend it. So that red smoky eye. Then we'll do the same on the other side. Later on I'm going to finish it with some eyeliner and some lashes and it will really come out. Now on to the rest of the face. So what I like to do, I saw this on, I think it was Jackie Eyeliner. Yeah, Jackie Eyeliner does this because we get oily girl. So she uses her setting powder first and just sets her face before her foundation. And I found out that this kind of works. Like I kind of like it when I've done it before. So I just get my beauty blender and all the places where you get oily, I just set my face. So it's mostly the T-zone that gets oily. So I kind of set my face first. Superstay foundation from Maybelline. I need to do like 2 pumps of that. And then use my brush just to put it on. And then I use a damp beauty blender just to blend it all in. Now if you set your face before, a beauty blender is best to do your foundation with because otherwise you're just going to move the powder around. So this just makes it sit into the powder. And then again with a damp beauty blender, just blend that in. I want to let my under eyes sit just a little bit. Powder ready. So my Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder. Let that sit. Just bake for a little bit because again, oily, it needs to sit, it needs to bake. Take a sweet little time. Then I'm gonna get my contour out. So it's the Fenty Beauty Truffle stick, matchstick, and just contour my forehead. And my chin line. Try and get a little bit snitched. Give myself a little jaw. And then let's just wipe this off. Contour. Just let's cut this face up. And I just have a flat brush and I stick in circles. Into the hairline. Just circle it up and out. And then I'm just going to set my contour, my cream contour with just a powder one and sleek. And then I'm going to set my entire face with my Mercier. I'm just going to do a little nose contour. Not much today. Then I'm just going to spray it in the middle, sometimes I think it gets too dry. So I did my falsies and my eyeliner off camera because I'm not the best at those. We're just trying, we're still learning. But yeah, I did those off camera. So what I'm going to do now is just quickly bronze my face with my Barry M Light Bronzer Afterglow. Help marinate the face, get it all together. And then because I've got quite a big eye look, I'm just going to do a nice simple highlight, my nose, bridge, my cheek highlight, the same Rum from Fenty Beauty. I'm just going to put it onto my brush and just sit it in my cheekbones. I like this one because it's like it sits in your skin, so it makes it look very like glowy and skin-like. I'm going to do a nude lip, I think, yeah. NYX lip liner in Cocoa. Gonna line my lips. And then just for my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And then we'll spray it all together. And this is a finished look, so it's like a red smoky eye thing. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but yeah. Definitely out of my comfort zone. But I just wanted to give it a go. I saw the red and I was like, let me try it. So, I hope you enjoyed this little quick short video. You know what to do, like, comment, subscribe, all of that, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.